Don't you hate getting cables stuck in flexi conduit? Here's a couple of tips to help you get through. First of all, you want to make sure your cable is cut in a way that makes it easy to get through the conduit. Here I strip the cable back and only leave the central earth core attached. Fold the middle cable over itself and we'll just add some tape to it. Now the cable is in optimal shape to get through the conduit efficiently. As you can see, the cable is still getting stuck inside this coil, so we'll move on to the next tip. The next step is to grab some cable glide, which is silicone spray, and spray it down either end of the flexible conduit. Can even add a little bit of spray to the cable end itself. Well, there we go. We made it all the way through while it's still coiled up. The third trick to make it even easier to work with, if the silicone spray doesn't work, is to stretch the flexible conduit out a little bit. By stretching it out, it makes the conduit straighter and easier to push cables through. The only downside is that if you've pre-cut the length of flexible conduit, then you can stretch it so it does sag or it is a bit big for what you've already cut it for. The fourth trick to running cable through the flexible conduit is to use gravity to your advantage. If you have two people on site, you can get one person to hold either end of the run of flexible conduit, and the person on the far end will hold it low to the ground, stretching it out as straight as possible, and the person who's pushing the cable in will hold the end of the conduit up as high as they can while they feed the cable into the conduit. In this position, you can also shake the conduit around a bit to make it easier for the person feeding the cable in to push that cable through. If you don't have a second person on site, you can always use an object in your environment to help hold the far end of the cable at a position lower than you. If you're doing this method with another person and it's still not working that great, get the person downstream of you to start hitting the conduit with some pliers. This helps vibrate the conduit really effectively and gets that cable moving on the inside of the conduit. Here's the last trick if you're finding it almost impossible to get the cable through the conduit. Before you run the cable through the conduit, grab a roll of builder's string, tie a piece of plastic bag on the end of it, tape one end onto your vacuum cleaner, even a more powerful one than the one I'm demonstrating with, and then chuck the plastic bag in the opposite end of the flexible conduit. Make sure the plastic doesn't snag on the jagged end parts of the conduit, and then suck it through with the vacuum. And then use the piece of string as a method to pull the cable through the conduit with, in conjunction with the other tips I've talked about, and you will get that cable through that flexible conduit. Cheers for watching, guys. Catch you on the next one.